The one thing that's getting on my nerves today, there's a lot of vegan wine in. I'm not here for the vegan wine. If you don't know what a vegan wine is, it's when two girls are one in each other. That's love. That is a vegan wine. You don't want no vegan wine around here. Yeah? We don't want no vegan wine. Yeah? You are dancing who you want to dance with, but read go on Notting Hill's website and you'll understand why. Alright. Yo, Barbados, are you alright down there, Barbados? Barbados looks like he's had enough. Barbados looks like he's had enough. Get him some water, someone, be nice. Get him some water. Bop that. Okay. Alright. You alright now? I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired right now, boss. My knee is disrespectful right now. My Jenna. You not ready? Yeah. Just wait for the support truck and we'll continue. Huh? Oh, yeah. It's alright. I need 11, isn't it? I need 11. Huh? Alright. I don't even know. You're crazy. You are very crazy. Driver. It's me, Uncle. We're good. Yeah? The break? DJ. That was something to